Are you ready? Big changes are going to be taking over the rest of the work week here in the Valley after we started out with near record temperatures today, well into the 70s. First and foremost, everything begins on Tuesday with gusty north winds and cold air taking hold. In fact, we'll be 20 to 30 degrees cooler in some spots as we go through the afternoon. Wednesday, snow in South Dakota looks to be likely, and I cannot rule out 1 or 2 flakes in our western and southern counties as the storm rolls out of Colorado and through South Dakota. But by Thursday, look at this. We're talking about some hard freeze conditions, air temperatures between the teens and 30 degrees for many areas across the valley. And that's both Thursday and Friday, that should say, at the bottom. So Thursday and Friday, some mighty cold air heading our way. Look at this, 62 degrees. Get out and enjoy. We do have a south wind. It's still a little on the gusty side at 23 miles per hour. If you want to go ahead and head out and walk the ferret, tonight would be a great night to do that. Here's a look at temperatures region-wide. 52, Devils Lake 56 for Babe the Blue Ox there in Bemidji. Near 60 degrees in Lakes Country as we head to bed. Here's a look at the satellite. High clouds are spilling into the valley right now, but nothing too impressive, and there's nothing to show on the radar. And again, the synopsis is a cold front will be making its way in tonight from Canada, bringing the cold. After that, this system sweeps through, cold air in place for many, and as it does, it's going to bring a chance of precipitation that will become snow for some. But that mainly stays in South Dakota. More on that in a second. Right now, clouds build in overnight. Temperatures will be chilly in the morning. We're talking anywhere from the 30s to around 50 degrees. The mildest temperatures will be in our southern and eastern counties. Look at the wind direction tomorrow, by the way, gusting out of the north at 20 to 30 miles per hour in the morning at the bus stop in places like Walhalla and out in Harvey. Now, as we go through the midday hours, the wind spreads into the valley. The temperatures stay cool north, and we don't warm up too much even in the south and east, but that's where the warmest air will be. Cloudy, gusty north winds, 20 to 35 miles per hour, and temperatures that will be falling back for all of us by 20 or 30 degrees over what we saw today. Planning forecast for Fargo, 50 degrees or so to start. We'll have north winds gusting over 20 miles per hour at the bus stop. Kids, dress them warmly. And look at this, flatline those temperatures in the low 50s all day long. It'll be dry, but it'll be cloudy, windy, and much colder. The warmest temperatures south and east of Fargo, where we could have a few of you near 60 degrees. Counter that with some upper 30s in places like Rock Lake, Cando, and Rolla. 44 in Devils Lake. Here's that system working its way through South Dakota, low pressure moving into Minnesota, wrapping moisture around. Now remember, that chilly air is in place, and we time this out in the morning where we are getting some rain in our area at the coldest time of the day. That is why 1 or 2 flakes may mix in, but I don't anticipate any significant impact. The main impact will be from the real cold air that settles in after that, and that is why it is a first alert weather day on Thursday. We're not going to repeat it on Friday, but Mother Nature says we're going to go through the same thing. Remember, Hutch's white lines here, that's the freezing line. Everything inside that, cold and freezing temperatures. Most of our viewing area is included in that. That's Thursday. Here's Friday. The air mass battlecast. It's that time of year again. And the geese and the snow geese are thinking it might be time to head south. Wednesday, Thursday, we see our temperatures in the morning and afternoon drop. There's your hard freeze warning. Friday, more of the same. In fact, we'll see more 20s out there, and some of you could see teens to start your day. Then we rebound just a little bit for the weekend ahead. Stacy, some fantastic news though. By the middle to latter part of next week, I'm seeing hints that we could be kissing 70 degrees again. And the real long hint is that any significant snow could hold off until November. So we're keeping our eyes on all of this stuff here, but it's going to be cold this week.
You know, if we can deal with 1 week and maybe get another little break, whoo, hot.
Right. Give and take.
Fantastic.
Yes.
All right, thanks.
Yeah.
Next.